Hey everybody, this is Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness and an independent Shaklee distributor. And I just got done working out and I wanted to invite you to join me to see how I do my morning smoothie. And this is kind of a teaser. I'm going to be recording these videos and posting them over the coming weeks because I'm putting together a smoothie workshop with all of these recipes. So you'll be able to put together, buy a canister of shake, and I'll show you how to put together a bunch of smoothies to have in your freezer that you will just add to the blender, add some milk and blend and make it super simple. So let's get started. But before I get started, if you love smoothies, would you like this? And consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss any of the updates or miss when the smoothie challenge comes out. Today's smoothie is peaches and cream and it's gonna be super simple. I like to pick easy recipes. Frozen peaches, you can also use fresh and you don't have to freeze them, I just prefer them frozen. Some plain, or you can use vanilla yogurt. These recipes are a guide, so you use what you want. Also some vanilla plant protein, it's soy, 20 grams. And I prefer the Shaklee brand, that's what I love and use. And also some almond milk or soy milk. Some people might say, well, why should I use which one? Well, it depends on what you like the taste of. Soy milk has a little bit more protein in it, actually a lot more protein. It has, on here, where is it? 7 grams of protein, where this one, the almond milk only has 1, so you can get 7 extra grams of protein. So I've been experimenting and trying soy milk. So you can use what you'd like. I'm gonna start by putting in my soy milk because this one is open, and I like a little bit more milk, especially when I'm using frozen fruit. So I use about 10 to 12 ounces. So I put that in first. My recipe calls for a half a cup of peaches. Here's where I'm going to alter it. I'm gonna do a full cup of peaches. And I'm gonna make it a heaping scoop because I feel like a half a cup just isn't enough. Then I'm going to do a half a cup of yogurt. We'll see if I can get it in there. Again, these are approximate. You can freeze the yogurt if you'd like, but you do not have to. I would recommend freezing it in little ice cubes to make it easier. And then I'm gonna add 2 scoops of my plant protein. And this is going to, I do this right after I work out, because I've broken down my muscle, it's the best time to repair. And there's actually studies that show if you consume your protein right after your workout, you will actually lose more weight, build more muscle. So you want to do that right away. Okay, so this is just a Ninja blender. I don't get compensated by Ninja. I had a different blender that burned out, so we bought this one a couple years ago and it's worked great. So turn it on and it's gonna make some noise. And that is it, folks. It blends really nice. You can kind of see it in there. It's going to be a little bit thick, which I like. And then I'm going to pour it into my shaker bottle and I'm going to drink it. And that is it, folks. So if you would like this video, if you love smoothies, and subscribe to our channel, again, we're gonna have these come out. There's gonna be 7 different recipes, all using vanilla, and then we'll do it again with all chocolate. And then we're gonna put together how you guys can do a smoothie workshop. So stay tuned.